Hey guys, in this video, we're going to go over how to merge duplicate contacts in Freshsales. Now, the first thing I want you to do from the dashboard, once you're logged in, click here on contacts, and then I want you to go ahead and select the contacts you'd like to merge. I'll select ones from the same account. So here we have Jay Patel and we have Nick Raymond. So I'll select these two. You can select up to a maximum of 25 contacts at a time to merge. Once we have them selected, I'll click here on merge. And now what I need you to do is choose the primary record, and all the other records become secondary records. And the primary record is basically retained. So let's say I've selected Jay Patel, we're going to retain him, and everything else is secondary record. Basically, if the primary record has blank fields, then data from the secondary record is filled in those fields, and the secondary records are then deleted permanently. And this is an irreversible action. And then you just come to the bottom right, click on merge. Okay, and as you can see, we have a success message and the contacts are being merged, and then you just click here to refresh. As you can see, really that easy. That is how to merge duplicate contacts in Freshsales.